Hello everybody, my name is Isaac Lacey Cannon Jr. and I am the Money Mentor. Please don't forget to click the thumbs up, subscribe, and share the video for me. I am new with YouTube, but I'm not new at making money. So just sit back a few moments and share this quick ride to a new financial future. If you take a little time and follow my videos, they should provide you with an avenue of financial freedom. You may already be on that road, so please check me out and give me some feedback. I've been involved with property since coming back home to Horry County in 1980. I purchased land throughout Horry County, South Carolina, the nesting place of Myrtle Beach. We're a unique area with over 50 miles of sandy white beaches, entertainment, food, and fun. Many of my purchases have been close to one another, but you never know where the next deal will pop up. What you do need to know is time is of essence. You must move fast to research and lock down your investment. In my upcoming videos, I will break down the do's and don'ts in purchasing and selling of property. When I first started looking at land, I would find a deal and not buy it. I would follow the new buyers and see if it worked until I felt comfortable with the decision to purchase. My first purchase was a 2-acre parcel of land, as you see on the screen. I cut it into 6 lots and sold it out in 12 months for $13,450. I cleared over $5,000, and that was my beginning. Over the past 30 years, I have bought and sold over 6,000 acres of land throughout Horry County. The following are just a few of those purchases. Shell Pond Village, $30,000, sold out $58,000. Shell Pond 2, $32,500, sold out for $74,000. 7/10 of a mile away. Venus Cove, $35,000 purchase, sold for $145,000. 8/10 of a mile from that point. Cherry Moon, purchased it for $30,000, sold it for $68,000. Cherry Fields, purchased it for $29,000, sold it for $47,000. Cherry Tree Forest, purchased it for $50,000, sold it for $104,000. Venus Cove, purchased it for $35,000, sold it for $145,000. Over the next few years, I plan to put my experiences on videos in hopes it will help those who want a little added income or a whole lot of added income reach their goals. Thank you for your time and be blessed. This is Lacey Cannon with Money Mentors.